are automatically activated to warn you of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted on every Wednesday between the hours of 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the first available good weather day. The reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. To provide you the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will only be activated for warnings and watches affecting the following transmitters. For your NOAA weather radio, WXK54, playing on a frequency of 162.550 MHz, located in Rennes, on the WCES television tower 24 miles southwest of Augusta. The counties in Georgia are as follows: Burke, Columbia, Emmanuel, Glasgow, Hancock, Jefferson, Jenkins, Johnson, Lincoln, McDuffie, Richmond, Screven, Taliaferro, Warren, Washington, and Wilkes. In South Carolina, the counties are Aiken, Allendale, Bamberg, Barnwell, Edgefield, and McCormick. This concludes this week's warning alarm test. This was only a test. We will now return you to your normal programming.